My name is Sami Yaffa. I've been a professional musician since I was about 16 years old. I've played on every continent on this planet of ours and traveled to far corners of the earth, all because of music. I started my career with a band called Hanoi Rocks and moved on to play with Joan Jett and the Blackhearts and the reformed New York Dolls. For the past few years, I've been playing and recording with Michael Monroe, my dear friend and the lead singer of Hanoi Rocks. I've collaborated with a variety of different people from different musical genres, recorded with Bruce Springsteen, Little Steven and Slash, amongst many others. I also make music with my own band, Mad Juana. This lovely bald-headed chap is Dragan. I met him for the first time in 2008 when his band, KAL, and my band, Mad Juana, were the supporting acts for Gogol Bordello in California. Eugene from Gogol and I were watching KAL by the side of the stage as they started to play. Our jaws hit the floor and we started to feel a bit of a stage fright. God damn, we're supposed to follow this lot? KAL is a blend of uncanny tempos, perfect virtuosity, amazing control, and fine songwriting, and it's all dripping with humor. When I left for Serbia, I knew that Dragan would be the man whose presence would open every door to gypsy culture and music.
All Roma songs are actually minor songs, and when they are using major, it sounds like a minor.
Right.
Somehow, non-Romani people are connected with lucrative things, with the money. Romani people are more connected to this kind of metaphysical things. They are more connected with this meta level, you know? There's some connected with the soul, and they somehow remain on this kind of local level. We don't have a sense for making money, but we have a sense to play from the soul.
Right.
That's not the truth.
Pokušat ću naći novi lik, suvremen. I radim sada sve što nikad nisam radio prije. Iako pritom netko drag strada, nisam ti. Mijenjam se, mijenjam se.
I cannot speak about Emir Kusturica like artist. He's a great artist.
Yeah.
And I exactly know why is he using so much of Romani issue, Romani culture. Because in this culture is everything possible, you know? It's a very unreal culture. And this is the point.
Ero male nascone ed io rinfuso il ciudella životo si ringispil tra de loro moro da ironi opa ringe bova mano ciknije šužije ajde mori gojro mes ringe bova mano ciknije šužije ajde mori gojro mes ajmo sad Romalen, čavalen Romalen, čavalen Romalen, čavalen Romalen, čavalen Ajmo da Ajde mori gojro mesa Činđirinđi buba maro tiknije Šušije Ajde mori gojro me Aj sad Romalen, čavalen Romalen, čavalen Romalen, čavalen Romalen, čavalen
I would say that our identity, our feeling for the music is actually minor feeling, musical minor. Music, you know, we are actually minor people. You know, everything sounds minor. Even our way of living, our way of whatever, it's a minor, it's a bluesy.
Every time I look away, my glass has been filled to the brim with plum liquor. I lose count of how many shots I've been pouring down my neck.
Ali